Hello guys, welcome to my channel High Tech Confusion. In this video, I would like to show you how to set up the Git and it cloning and status of the Git. First of all, open the VS Code. I have already done the installation of VS Code in my channel. Please check it in once. After open the VS Code, first of all, you have to create the one folder on the desktop. Create one folder on desktop. I'm creating the folder with git demo name. Yes, I have created one folder on the desktop and I can open the VS Code file, open folder, click on desktop, click on github git demo and select folder, and it will open this folder. The cloning will happen in the terminal page. To open this terminal page, just click on above these three dots and go to terminal, new terminal. Yes, the terminal page is open now. Yeah, to start the cloning, you should use some command like git space clone space that git which you have to clone that github repository link. To know that github repository link, open your github repository which we have already created before. In the previous video, first of all, cloning means creating a new thing or create one mission to another mission, that is local mission to github or github to local mission. And to know that link, open the VS github and open your repository which you have to clone and click here code. You will see this link SSH and HTTPS. You can use any one of this, so and I prefer only for HTTPS, and click on copy and again open VS Code. Use this command git space clone space and copy that link which you have copied there. Paste here which you have copied there. Control plus V and press enter. Yes, here let yes, our repository was cloned here. Now you have to use your cd space our repository command to change the directory. Cd means change directory, and you can clearly see here our data in the our repository rapid page. It contains HTML and CSS. As I said that use the cd space our repository name to clone with local computer. Use this command cd space our repository name is rapid page. Press enter. Yes, you can clearly see here our rapid page was added here. And if you want to see hidden data in the our repository, you can simply use that ls command to see internal data hidden in our repository name. As you can see here, the length name, and we want to know the exact name of the length name and hidden data in the repository. Then you should use some one command like ls space minus h. Yes, you can clearly observe here minus dot git is our hidden data. Use cls command to clear the screen. As I said in starting video, uh, the video is to set up the git and clone and knowing the status of the git. To know the status of the git, uh, you have to use your one command, that is git space status. Enter. Yes, if it shows like this origin or main, you have such it is the status, of your git, and now successfully git is cloned with local mission to github. Yes, that's all for the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will give definitely reply to you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the further videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.